Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you want to get the newest features, security fixes, AI tools and performance improvements in Adobe Acrobat? Adobe regularly releases updates for Acrobat and Acrobat Reader. Updating ensures you have the latest PDF tools, bug fixes, compatibility improvements and important security patches. Adobe recommends keeping Acrobat updated whenever possible. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to update Adobe Acrobat to the latest version in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, open Adobe Acrobat, like launch Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. Wait until the application fully loads. Close unnecessary documents before starting the updates. Okay, so we are using it from the website. We can open it as application on the on the laptop. So open the help menu, like on Windows, select menu and then help. On Mac, select just help from the menu bar. This menu contains Acrobat's update tools, so the extract or the exact layout may vary slightly depending on your Acrobat version. Check for update, like Acrobat will connect to Adobe's service and search for available updates, so an active internet connection is required. Okay, so download the updates. Like if an update is available, select download. Acrobat will begin downloading the latest files, so large updates may take several minutes depending on your connection speed. Okay, install the update, like follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, so in some cases Acrobat may ask you to close open PDF files or quit Acrobat or restart the installer or continue the updates process. Okay, so Adobe will guide you through the installation automatically. So save any unsaved work before proceeding. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.